All right, so it's Mike again with AEE, and I got Josh here, and we're out in the middle of nowhere, and it's cold. We got a Mach 4 flare up in the air, and we got the tether system running off of a power station generator here. And now, let there be light. And now there's light.